If OBS Studio is not recording, it usually happens due to wrong settings, missing permissions, or hardware issues. First, check if you have actually added a source. Go to Sources and make sure you have added Display Capture, Game Capture, or Window Capture in OBS Studio. If no source is selected, OBS will record a black or empty screen. Next, check if you clicked Start Recording and not Start Streaming by mistake. Run OBS Studio as administrator to fix permission-related recording issues. Go to Settings Arrow Output and make sure recording path is set correctly and you have enough disk space. Check if your recording format is valid, such as MP4 or MKV. Go to Settings Arrow Video and ensure your resolution and FPS are properly set. If you are getting a black screen in games, switch Game Capture mode or enable Capture Specific Window. Update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers can prevent screen capture. Close conflicting software like other screen recorders or overlays. Temporarily disable antivirus because it may block recording access. If OBS still does not record, reset OBS settings or reinstall OBS Studio completely. This will fix most OBS Studio not recording problems on Windows.